Hello, good evening, guys. This is Mrs. Crawford with my good thing for the week. My good thing is that I had a very nice Mother's Day. I got food from our favorite restaurant. We didn't eat inside, but we got it to go. My favorite restaurant is Jupiter Pizza and Waffle in Sugarland at the town center, and I'm speaking kind of quietly because it's pretty late. When I'm getting around to recording this, so I'm trying not to make too much noise. Also, I'll have to show you guys my Barbie doll for the week later because I don't want to go bumping and looking through things when it's late. My other good thing is that we, because this is going to be the last week that I'm assigning academic work to you. Once you get done with these last two assignments, that's it for science. So they're both review assignments, so they're things that you should know what to do and that you've already been taught. I am asking if my grades are due on Friday. So I'm asking that if you have any makeup work to do, all of your work for this week be finished by Wednesday. For me to take it into account for grading so that I can get everything entered and get what I need turned in without just making sure that I do everything that I need to from a grades standpoint. And I'll send a note out to your parents too so that y'all know. Also, now, each homeroom is different, but my homeroom and Ms. Butler's homeroom are having an end of the year online award ceremony on Wednesday afternoon at 2 p.m. So please tune in for that. That'll be via Google Meets. So I'll post the link for that when it's time for us to do that. If you have any questions on any assignments, always comment under the assignment. And it's been a fun year. Although a really different year, I'll still be posting something next week, but it'll just be, it won't be anything that I'm taking a grade on since my grades are due on Friday. If you have any questions, just let me know. And I hope y'all have a great week. Bye.